Camp Nou means business today. The North Gol compression ring lifted a radial beam and placed a box segment before midday, with the crane back in position going for a second. 2 escalators have arrived near the first mobility core ready for installation. The first diamond is in its final inspection phase, and ceramic louvers are going up in the false ceiling. Everything is moving. Let's get into it. We're starting with the escalators, because not one arrived, but 2. Both are now staged near the first mobility core in North Gol, exactly where they'll be installed. The prefab stair landings are in place, railings are up, and these units connect up to level 45. Workers are on the ground preparing the installation zone right now. Getting each unit into position will be complex work, likely using a pulley system similar to how the main stand escalator was handled earlier. Around 100 escalators need to go into this stadium in total, plus at least 20 elevators across the 10 mobility cores. 2 units physically sitting at their install point is the start of the whole chain. Now the biggest story, the North Gol compression ring. This morning between 9:30 and 10 a.m., the radial beam went up. This is a radial beam that connects with just 2 bolts instead of the full plate and bolt system, so it went in fast. By midday, the first box segment was fully placed, inspected, and the crane slings were already off and free. As filming was happening, the crane was back in position going for the second box. The goal is 2 box segments per day, the Bradow's constant, and today was right on that target. With the support frames in place and a clear sequence to follow, this section doesn't slow down. In South Gol, the next compression ring move is being set up right now. The TC2 crane was lowering a support frame into position above the super pillar on the radial. The pivot joint is already there, with the bearing beams underneath. Once the support frame lands, the next pillar goes up. TC2 has now taken over the ringwork in South Gol from TC3. On the second cantilever level in this zone, concrete block walls are also being actively built up. Work that has been picking up visible pace over the last few days. The first diamond on the side stand, the Future Club store, is in final inspection. Topographers are on site, formwork panels are visible around the perimeter, and the concrete seating steps inside were poured yesterday. This one is very close to completing its civil works entirely. Ceramic louvers continue going up in the false ceiling of the side stand, using the crane hook method, 1 piece at a time. 1 new louver was confirmed going up during this visit. The front face of the side stand still has no louvers. Anchor work is being finished, and equipment was paused for part of the visit before resuming. There's a lot of frontal surface still to cover, and that work will need to accelerate. In the North Gol facade, anchor and steel support preparation is active and getting close to placement ready. Sandwich panels were also spotted being unloaded in the side stand zone. Painters are working on the second cantilever brackets and North Gol beams, cleaning up steelwork and removing white marks ahead of final cladding. North Gol is flying. Beam raised, first box placed, second on the way up. 2 escalators on site. The first diamond almost through its civil phase. Louvers now going up in the false ceiling. South Gol loaded up for its next pillar. Don't miss anything. Subscribe and ring the bell. Visca el Barça.